Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back and I appreciate you for coming back. Today I am taking my wife's car to do an oil change to a Mercedes dealership in St. Paul. I do my oil change anywhere because my car is old. It's 2013. Her car is new. It's 2020. This is very common in our society today. I tend to see most married men drive old cars and their wives drive new cars. I don't know why is that. Like, why is that? In my opinion, the reason why my wife is driving a new car and I'm driving an old car is because I want her to feel safe at all times. I want my wife to always feel that she's safe. With my daughter, most especially, I want them to feel safe. You know, the new cars come with new features like lane assistance, 360 backup camera, so all that they assist my wife in making good decisions while she's driving, and that is my paramount reason for my wife driving a new car. Safety. Maintaining your car is very important, and I want to show you what it's like to get your car serviced at Mercedes dealership. This is my first time too, so let's get started. Who am I here with today?
My name is Mitch with Mercedes-Benz St. Paul.
Can you walk me through the process of an oil change here at Mercedes?
Yeah, basically we write up the vehicle, so we get the paperwork all together with that. We get that back to the technician. They'll pull it right into their stall, do the oil change. We always do a multi-point inspection during the oil change as well. Typically we would take a video during the inspection, but right now we have a huge system outage that's going on, so that kind of prevents us from doing that. But we'll typically show you everything, how it looks, what the condition of your tires, brakes, battery, fluids, filters, all that kind of stuff looks like. And from there, we'll suggest if there's any other maintenance or repairs needed on the vehicle.
What makes you guys different from every other dealership?
I would say the biggest factor is that we are extremely thorough with vehicles. We, some places they're maybe not as specialized in Mercedes vehicles. We know exactly what to look for and what to keep you on the road without having any problems in the future. So we'll suggest, preventative maintenance items that'll keep you from having problems down the road. We know exactly what the maintenance schedules for these vehicles are and what common issues lie with certain vehicles and whatnot. So we're kind of the experts in keeping your vehicle on the road and in good condition.
Earlier you mentioned to me that your oil change goes up to 10,000 miles. Why is it that Mercedes oil change goes up to 10,000? Like, what makes it different?
Yeah, the biggest factor with that is the actual oil filter element itself is made out of a fleece material instead of a paper material like traditional oil filters, so it resists breaking down over time. We do also use Mobil 1 synthetic oil, which one of the best oils that you can get. So that helps keep the oil clean as long as possible and keep you from getting oil changes every 5,000.
All right, this is an update. After like 30 minutes of waiting, they came to tell me that they finished doing all the oil change, they finished updating my software, and right now they are washing my car. Yes, they say right now they are washing my car. I wash my car and they vacuum the inside. Wait, am I dreaming or something? I need to find me. Guess how much is it? $170 for oil change, full synthetic. 10,000 mileage. Oil change, full synthetic. 10,000 mileage for $170. I do an oil change on the BMW for $180 for every 5,000 mileage, and they don't vacuum my car, they don't wash my car. This is interesting. I'm going to be doing an oil change here now. You do an oil change, it's very moderate, $170, and they wash your car, they vacuum your car. This is amazing. Man of truth. That's my wife's car, and it's being washed. Whoa. It was nasty inside. Vacuum the inside. This is pretty nice. Wash, vacuum. This is, yes, we are back home after like hours spent over at the Mercedes dealership presenting to you this fact. Will you switch from your oil change dealer to Mercedes dealer? Me, I will definitely switch from changing my oil from anywhere to Mercedes dealership. That's it for today's folks. My wife's car has fresh oil. It's set for the road. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video to someone who is suffering from oil change crisis so that they can switch to Mercedes dealership. If I see another dealership that is better than Mercedes, I'll still do a video for it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, share. And as always, God bless you all. Thank you.